It's been
where Rihanna and Beyonce walk on these steps right there. Isn't that so cool?
First time.
He's where the Met Gala where Rihanna and Beyonce.
What you say?
Sorry. They walk on this step that I'm about to step on. Dreams do come true. I love it. I don't know, something about my
Down to thank you.
Alright, we're going down. Like hearts just like you. It's amazing. Okay.
No, no,
Okay, so it's a bit dark now. But look. All the sculpture behind us and all the beautiful Catholic outfits. Oh, cute. So that outfit remind me of the one that Rihanna wears at Met Gala. How pretty is it? I love it! I love it here. My God. We're at the sculpture part. Look at the beautiful sculptures. Yeah. And the lighting is perfect right here. The entire museum is amazing. Oh, it says European Sculpture Court. Oh, that's where we are at then. Look at the top. You guys learn to read for yourself. Come. This is so cool. I love the museum. I can't seem to fix my ass again. They call it Met, they don't call it the museum. Look at that sculpture. It's called the Met, so I'm not going to call it museum. I love the Met. Alright, so on my shirt, the Met. So I can come here and live here. So this tag is for me to live here. So I'm going to live at the Met. Right, DP? Let me show you the guy with the small penis. Come. Look how small it is. Yeah, they changed now. It's not that small when two different race, but it was small back then, like that. Start? I need to do like one wall of my room like this, old time days. You'll see sometime. Maybe Paris looking like it's so cool.
This is so gorgeous.
I need to move and live here. Real life scene from the time machine.
What is love? What is creation? What is longing? What is a star? Thus asks the last man and blinks. What is time? What is now? The square root of 10 is 3.162277766. The square root of 10 is 3.162277766. 3.16227. God and
the sculpture mental.
Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas. There's no place for God in infinity of maths. Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas. In its way, the poetry of logical ideas. In its way, the poetry.
So basically we had a long and exhausting day at the museum, and now it's time to go home because I'm tired. I don't want to go to the bathroom, I'm sorry. So it's time to go now. Museum. Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, so.
It is raining like cats and dogs outside, and DP is going to photograph somebody. Yeah, And then I'll be getting ready to go now. Hallelujah. It was fun. I did have fun. That's him trying to pack up his car with stuff to photograph people in. Yeah. So it was fun. I did have fun. But I'm ready and I miss my mother now. So now it's time to go. And he keeps throwing his water over here. I don't know why. So let me move the water. I hate rainy weathers. It made me grumpy. I'm not saying. Yeah, I just love sunshine. But it's raining and my throat itches.
What else is there?
And I'm trying to ignore DP because he's gonna make me upset. So yeah. So let's go on our journey. Hope I get some more upbeat weather so I'll get better vlogs for you guys. Alright. Let's have some fun. DP is basically setting up for a photo shoot for that gentleman right there. That's DP. Here we're waiting for the photo shoot ready for all the good to start. Yeah. That's DP with the gentleman that we're going to photo shoot, upcoming artist. Boom Stepper, that's his name, Boom Stepper. The upcoming artist. Or he's already an artist. Yeah, so I'm going to check out his music. So that's DP. That's in there. So we'll see what happens when the magic starts. DP doing his testing and the artist is getting ready to give us some killer moves. Killer pose Maggie, you know.
I have help. You know what I mean? I'm like it.
And he is doing a live right now. Let's see how this goes. I can't wait. I'm excited to be on the other end this time. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. So Boom Stepper is there. DP camera is going up. Yeah, the umbrella of lights is there. And we're getting ready now.
I will shoot with this one and then shoot with this one. I'm going to shoot with film as well. I know everybody wants to use filters and those things.
Explaining the process.
Shoot the medium. That's going to give you that correct look.
Yeah. The photo shoot with the artist Boom Stepper. Yeah. Sorry, I just want to do a good video. Finally. Giving direction.
Right, yes, sir, yeah.
Now you know how to get them good photos.
Go again. Yeah, go on. Yeah.
A good photographer give good direction so you can fully understand.
Yeah. Remember, stay here, that's significant for the character as well now.
Let's look at some of the images. Photos on the road now.
Yeah, just walk on. Do your thing.
Still giving direction.
Yeah.
DP.
Safety net. Hold on. More. Let's go down a little bit. Alright.
Clean team step. Watch it. What? Tell him bye-bye.
Hello.
He said that you can find him on Instagram. Tell him where on Instagram you can find him.
You make me happy. I'm not in love with you, but you make me happy. Damn. The ladies are boom stepper, you see it?
And they can find you on YouTube, right?
You can find me on YouTube, boom stepper. Them can find me on Instagram, boom stepper. Them can find me on Twitter, Instagram. Them can find me on Facebook. Them can find me on the streets. Them can find me on the plane, on the train.
Anywhere at Boom
Find me if you
Stepper.
want to find me. I'm not lost my Googleable. Is there a word like that?
No.
I'm Googleable.
In Google.
Google me.
Google, yes, you can Google you. Okay, Boom Stepper. Clean team step, yeah. Next big thing.
I'm a little sister, you see me?
Next big thing, okay. It was fun, Good morning, Saturday morning. We're trying to take the train to go to 42nd Street. But I don't know, I heard something about the train not being going to be running or something like that, but I'm not sure if it's my train. And I also left my Metro card to pay for a new Metro card because I left mine. So, and I'm waiting. I'm kind of worried because I'm hearing that the train something, but I don't know if it's 42nd Street or not. So, I'm just gonna wait and see. I should ask somebody. Yes, I'm here for DP, and I don't see any of his friends, so I asked them to be here. Okay, so I'm early. I'm at IOPS in New Jersey.
I'm gonna put S for everything, no?
And IOPS or IOP in New Jersey.
I gave you utensils already.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I
No,
didn't
no.
want to get you right.
No, you're good,
It
man.
is my final day here in New Jersey, and then it's time for me to go home. I'm glad to go home. I miss y'all so bad. Yeah.
What do you want to drink?
I don't know. We are waiting on our food.
And she's bored.
Yes, slightly bored. IOPS is not that bored.
She's never that fun.
IOPS is not that bored.
She gets bored very quickly.
It's so true. Look at my
Totally.
cute shirt. My shirt has on lip gloss, lipstick, and my lips.
Look for that. Lipstick. And lipstick.
Lipstick
And kisses.
Battery rider.
Yeah.
Battery rider.
Just want to have lipstick.
Oh,
Alright. No.
very
Thank
good.
you, man.
Enjoy.
And DP is on an healthy journey. He's eating lots of healthy stuff. While I'm on a healthy journey
Yeah,
of
man,
eating
you-
all animals.
Yeah, man. What is that?
God said, eat all the animals.
Yeah, man.
Leave it to eat the food I treated, but you know, I'm on a non-fruit diet. Yes. Eat until you're fat. But I hear that men like women with the junk in the trunk. Ames ketchup tastes so awful. How was your fruits?
Okay.
Tastes like fruits?
Yeah.
Tastes like Jamaican fruit?
Salted buttermilk pancakes?
Oh, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
one night parties. Go and give him the praise. Give God praise. Take a few minutes and praise the Lord. The Bible said, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord." To us, He poured for power and success, God. Thank you, Lord God, for your grace. Thank you for your mercy. Oh, God, we bless you.
So if you watch my New York City vlog number 6, you will realize that the baby got sick, and after that I felt so uncomfortable being there. So I hopped on a plane and I went home a day early. Because of my own issues with sickness, I just couldn't be there and I was so uncomfortable, and that's what I did. It sounds weird, but that's what I did. I'll explain in my new vlog, in my Jamaican vlog, why.